Is your refrigerator not cooling when the compressor is not starting? Many people think the compressor is completely damaged, and they spend a lot of money on repairs. But the truth is, sometimes the problem is very small, and you can fix it at home. In this video, I will show you 3 simple things to check before replacing the compressor. When the compressor does not start, the fridge cannot produce cooling. You may notice some common signs like, the fridge light is on but there is no cooling. Hear a clicking sound from the back. The compressor tries to start but stops again. This problem is not the compressor itself but the relay or overload protector. First, unplug the refrigerator for safety. Now, move the fridge slightly forward and remove the back cover. You will see a black round compressor at the bottom. Attached to the compressor is a small plastic part called the start relay. Remove the relay carefully. I'll shake it slightly. If you hear a rattling sound inside, it usually means the relay is burned or broken. A damaged relay cannot start the compressor. In this case, simply replace the relay with a new one. This is a cheap part, but it often fixes the problem completely. The second important part is the overload protector. This device protects the compressor from overheating. If the compressor gets too hot, the overload protector stops the power. Sometimes this part becomes faulty and prevents the compressor from starting. You can test it with a multimeter. If there's no continuity, the overload protector may be damaged. Replacing this small component can bring your refrigerator back to life. If both the relay and overload protector are fine, the next step is the direct compressor test. Using a proper test cord, you can power the compressor directly for a few seconds. If the compressor starts smoothly and runs normally, then the compressor is good. The problem may be in the relay, wiring, or control board. But if the compressor does not start or makes a loud humming sound, it may be internally damaged. Always remember to unplug the refrigerator before doing any repair. Working with electrical appliances can be dangerous, so take proper precautions. If you are not confident, it is better to call a professional technician. So before replacing your refrigerator compressor, always check these 3 simple things: start, relay, overload protector, and the compressor test. These quick checks can save you time and money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more appliance repair tips.